this is kind of weird. Says Red Edition, of course, and normally all of the Red Edition cars are red. This is a man. It's not red. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we have the Target Red Edition cars. Our buddy Brent brought them out to us because he finds them and I don't. He's a cool guy. Appreciate him bringing everything that he brings for us. All right, let's get right to it. The first one up, 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT, and this is kind of weird. Says Red Edition, of course, and normally all of the Red Edition cars are red. This is a man. It's not red, but looks like a satin, dark red, maybe satin maroon. I don't know, but it's definitely an off color when it comes to red. But it's a cool color all in itself. So here it is, a satin dark red. Has a dark red, silver, and black tampos on the hood, and of course along down the side. There is a silver square on the side with a black 19 in it. The interior and the bed liner are black plastic. Windows are smoked pretty good on it. The base is black plastic. The tires are brown plastic, and the wheels are black painted OR6s, and they're the same size all the way around. The front grille and bumper go with the black plastic base, and so does the rear bumper. And that is it. 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT. Now these are from the L case, by the way. Next one up, 2019 Corvette ZR1 Convertible. That is done in red enamel. Has black stripes on the hood and the rear of the trunk. I don't know if that yeah, I think that is a trunk that comes up there. But on the rear part of the car, has the Corvette emblem on the nose. Headlights are silver over black, and there's also a white Red Edition logo on the back of the car by the stripe. Is there one on the truck? Oh, that's done in red below the silver square that says 19. Huh, that's cool. All right. And this has a gray painted hood scoop on it. Interior is black plastic. Windshield is tinted dark. The base is black plastic. Goes with the front grills. There's 3 grills in the front there. Wheels are blacked out PR5s, big ones in the back, little ones in the front, with a red chrome ring on them. Taillights are done up. Also has a silver and red Corvette logo on the rear of the car, and it says Corvette underneath it. So there you go. 2019 Corvette ZR1 Convertible. Carbonator. A lot of people like this. I like it. It's cool. Really neat design. It is done in clear plastic, the top of it. The center section is a dark red plastic. Interior is part of that center section, dark red. The base is a flat black painted metal base. Has to be metal base because that wing on the back there is actually a bottle opener. So serves 2 purposes. You can play with it and open your soda pop. Chrome engine in the back there. Tampos are red, orange, black, white. Pretty cool. And the wheels are white painted OH5s, big ones in the back and little ones in the front. and they are very cool. So that is it. The Carbonator, the third one in the series. And again, like I said, they are from the L case. The Red Edition series from Target exclusives. And again, thanks to our friend Brent for getting them for us. So that is it. Oh, wait a minute. It says special feature on this. Why does it say special feature? See back for details. Oh, yeah, it shows you. You can pop open that soda pop bottle. All right. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Appreciate it. Always, always. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. And, of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. And always, thanks for coming back. All right? Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.